The power of compound interest revealed.
Welcome back to Stealthy Finance Tips, where we unlock the secrets of building wealth. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful concepts in personal finance, compound interest. Stay with us as we reveal how even a small amount of money can grow into a substantial sum over time. Imagine planting a tiny seed that grows into a massive tree over time. That's the power of compound interest. Hi viewers, and today we're talking about the magic of compound interest. Whether you're saving for retirement, a house, or just building wealth, understanding compound interest is crucial. Many people think compound interest is complicated and hard to understand. But the truth is, it's a simple yet incredibly powerful tool. Let's clear up these misconceptions and see how you can make compound interest work for you. Compound interest is interest on interest. Here's a simple example. If you invest $100 at a 5% annual interest rate, in the first year, you earn $5. In the second year, you earn interest on $105, not just the original $100. This cycle continues, and your money grows faster and faster. Let's visualize this. Here's how $100 can grow over 30 years at different interest rates. The difference is staggering. Now, for the magic moment. Look at this example. Investing $1,000 at an 8% interest rate for 40 years grows to over $21,000. That's the exponential power of compound interest.
Summary.
So, to sum it up, compound interest is your best friend when it comes to long-term financial goals. The sooner you start, the more your money can grow. It's not about having a lot of money, it's about starting early and being consistent. Curious to learn more about how you can make the most of your money? Check out our other videos on personal finance. And don't forget to share your own experiences with compound interest in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tips on building wealth. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Stealthy Finance Tips.